Alright, hey everyone, here is the Bitcoin price prediction for 2023. As we can see right here on the chart, this is going to be the futures chart for Bitcoin using the weekly time frame for it. I'll use daily as well, but just want to show you real quick when the futures contract started way over here, right there, Monday, December 17th. On the 2017 Monday, December 18th, 2017. You see right when it started, it sold all the way off. This is when, at that time, obviously Bitcoin is at the highest high at 20,000, and it sold off all the way down here to about a little over 3,000. Then we had a rise up in Bitcoin, and then we had a decline, and then we had a rise in Bitcoin, and now we've had a decline. And now it looks like we are getting ready for another rise in Bitcoin. So that's basically what it does. We get a decline, rise, decline, rise, decline, and now it looks like we're getting a rise. And so an easy way to look at this, one way I use it, using the Elliot Wave 5-way move, and how I use it is I use it with Fibonacci. Let's draw all this stuff on here real quick. I use it with Fibonacci numbers to help differentiate between when's retracement and when's not retracement. Because if you ever try and do Elliot Wave, you can get real confusing real fast. And so I took away a lot of the guesswork from it and use it with Fibonacci retracement levels. So starting all the way back down here, we have the 0 point. Here we go up to 1. Here we go to 2. Here we go to 3. There's 4. And here's the potential 5, right up here at about 78,815. And the reason why I have this yellow line on it right here is because one of the two main rules for the Elliot Wave 5-way move is that price, the wave 4, cannot break down below wave 1. So that's at the top of wave 1 right there, and as you can see, price did come close to it, but did not break the line right there. So this is still valid for a 5-way move. And how I consider it is how I consider an Elliot Wave 5-way move to be complete is I draw from the 0 point to the third point, and the target we're looking for is the 1.146 Fibonacci extension level. So right at about 79,000 or 78,815, 79,000 is close enough, is what I'm looking for the target to be for this Elliot Wave 5-way move. So as you can see from where price is currently at, 27,885, we have over 2.5 times for what we're looking for Bitcoin to go. Now this prediction would obviously fail if the price goes underneath the yellow line right there, underneath 14,170. If that happens, then this price prediction is no good anymore, but currently it's still looking really strong for it. As you can see, there was a little gap right here. A lot of times gaps come back and do get filled, and sure enough, that's exactly what happened on this candle right here. Came back and filled it, and now has bounced up since. So looking up here, there is a small little gap right up here in this area as well, going back from almost 35,000 up to about 35,155. So that could kind of be the next target level that we're looking for Bitcoin to go up there and hit. They kind of act as little magnetic levers for it, because here we had one earlier way down over here. Price came down and filled that candle, and that candle and filled it. So that could be the next one we're looking for, but that's what I'm looking for Bitcoin, my Bitcoin price prediction for 2023. One thing to watch out for though is the MFI is starting to bump up down here. It's starting to bump up against the overbought levels right here. When it goes into that over the 80 level, that's considered overbought. When it goes down to the 20 level, considered oversold. So that's when we start thinking about that price is eventually going to start turning around. It's a momentum indicator, not a timing indicator. So it didn't tell us exactly when price is going to turn around, only to start looking for it. So you see like right here, it went all the way up to overbought, but still took it a while before we had that sell-off down here. And then going down over here, we had it going into the oversold territory right there, but it finally didn't turn around until all the way right around there. So like I said, it's a momentum indicator, not a timing indicator, but it does tell us to watch out for that. We're looking for price sooner than later to reverse from its current position and go the other way, at least for a while. So we'll see what's going to happen this. Hopefully we'll keep it shooting on up before there is some type of move back down, and then price will continue its move back up. But basically, the number one thing to watch is for price not to drop below the yellow line right there. Otherwise, the price prediction of about 79,000 is my target for the Bitcoin price prediction in 2023. Thanks. Bye.